Greetings, Benjamin J. the Victrola Guy with another in the series. I just recorded a song, The Cramps, Goo Goo Muck. And this thing sounds like it was recorded on a cassette tape recorder. The audio file is just absolutely terrible. I went to Spotify, it's the same. Went to YouTube, it's the same. Why they would release such a poorly recorded song is beyond me. In any case, it's not the equipment. This audio just sounds like crap. So, the Goo Goo Muck by the Cramps.
When the sun goes down and the moon comes up, I turn into a teenage goo-goo muck. Yeah, I cruise through the city and I roam the streets, looking for something that is nice to eat. You better duck when I show up. The goo-goo muck. I'm a night-head hunter looking for some head. Well, away our body underneath that head. Yeah, I'll get you, baby, with a little love. 'Cause I'm a teenage tiger and I'm a goo-goo muck. You better duck when I show up. The goo-goo muck. Yeah, the city is a jungle and I'm a beast. I'm a teenage tiger looking for a feast. Yeah, I want the most, but I'll take the least. 'Cause I'm a goo-goo muck tiger and a teenage beast. You better duck when I show up. The goo-goo muck.
Anyway, as you can hear, the quality of that recording is just absolutely dreadful. The lathe makes better recordings than that. Anyway, I just wanted to post the video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. TheVictrolaGuy@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.